Alright guys, we got a 2009 Ford Escape Hybrid that we're going to be removing the battery on. I'm going to show you how you could disassemble the battery so you could be able to rebuild it. As you can see, it's a clean air hybrid powered vehicle. I'm going to start off by removing the carpet for the trunk. Just toss this up here, out of the way. Fold your seats. Fold this seat. You have this service plug right here. As you can see, it says lock, unlock, and service. You're gonna move this dot right here to the unlock position. Pull this out, just wiggle it out. It's in there a little bit tight. Alright, after you remove your service plug over there, you're going to unbolt that bolt right there, and then there's another one right here. Okay, and then go on this side. There's one bolt down there, and another bolt right here. It's a 13mm bolt. And then to go from the back side, there's one bolt right here, another bolt right there, one right there, and one down there. And there's the last one down there. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 total bolts. And then you come over here, and it's a 10mm bolt right there to disconnect this to disconnect this plug. And just pull this out. Come on this side. This has a 13mm bolt right here, and then it has a little plastic clip right here, and then just pry this back, and then just pry this back, and then all you have to do is just pop this open like this, and then to disconnect the electrical connector right here. And now you're ready to remove the battery. By the way, this battery is pretty heavy, so you might want to get some help. Don't do this alone. I repeat, don't do this alone. That's how you remove the battery. The battery is removed, and these are the mounting points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That right there is a vent for your battery. That's coming through the window right here, as you can see. Right there, and it comes in and gets fresh air into the battery so it doesn't overheat. That, guys, is how you remove a battery from a hybrid Ford Escape.